Let's look at numbers 9 through 11. Number 9 through 11. Sketch the figure described. Number 9. Plane A and line BC intersecting at point C. So we want to draw a plane called A. So I'm just going to go down here. And we will say number 9 is down here. I want to draw a plane A, so I'm just going to draw a plane first. And I'm going to label this A. And then a line C intersects at point C. BC, that means the line BC must somehow go through plane A. So I can just draw a line like this. This line goes through the point and it intersects at point C. So I'm going to say point C is on the plane, and let's say B is up here. So this is line BC intersecting at point C. Number 10, plane M and plane N not intersecting. Well, they are not intersecting. That means they do not touch. So number 10, I'm just going to draw two planes that don't touch. So one is going to be up here. I'm going to call this plane M. I'm going to put an M. And one is going to be down here. And I'm going to call this plane N. And that is plane M and N not intersecting. Number 11, lines A, B, and C intersecting at 3 points. Well, that's going to be interesting. So we want, first let's draw one line. Let's draw line A. So number 11, line A. I'm just going to draw a line, and this will be my line A. And line B and A must intersect, so I'm just going to cross out any here. So this will be B, and now we want it to intersect at 3 points. Right now we have 1 point here, but we want 2 more. So I'm going to make a triangle shape, and with line C here, and this is line A, B, and C. Notice they intersect at 3 points. Number 12, a tripod can be used to level a camera. What geometric figure is modeled by the intersection of a tripod to the ground? So what geometry is modeled? So if we draw a tripod here, right, it has 3 legs like so. This is number 12, and it hits the ground, and we can think of the ground as a plane in itself, right? It is kind of hits the ground, kind of like that. That's kind of a tripod. Imagine there's a camera on top, like so. But if I were to think of what geometric figure is modeled by that, well, that looks like a triangular pyramid. And that is all.